Hi, to change media output on your Samsung Galaxy S25, all you have to do is to swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger quick settings, and in here find the tab media output. So let's say you connected your earphones, but now you don't know how to switch back to your phone's media output. For that you need to tap here, and if your earphones are as a media output, for example, then it will light up blue, like in my case. Here I can adjust volume, and to switch to the phone speaker, I would need to tap it like that. My AirPods would be still connected to the phone, but now media output would be from phone speaker instead of AirPods. To switch back, just tap this option. Also here you can tap settings icon, and in Wi-Fi speaker playback you can choose mirroring or casting, and you can enable to show music share devices if you want to. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.